National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Laguna and Madre from 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield to Baffin Bay, Texas, until 9:00 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Port Mansfield, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail.
Whoa.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Mansfield and Laguna Madre. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts.
Where is boats?
Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. This is a special weather statement for the following area in Texas.